We have this year's, well, two out of three of this year's 2021 limited edition Alox. If you're a OCD collector, I'm sorry, because this year is completely different than the past 5-6 years. So traditionally they did the Classic, Cadet, and Pioneer. This year we got the Pioneer X as well as the Classic and also the Hunter Pro Alox, all in orange. Tiger orange is what they're calling it. This is the Pioneer X, I believe I opened up first. So Alox limited edition, you have your normal card. This is the 7th year, so yeah, 6 before. Alox limited edition pocket knives. The range includes Classic, Pioneer X, and the Hunter Pro. This year's models are characterized by Tiger Orange Alox scales. Alox scales are punched from aluminum, embossed, then anodized in subsequent process stage. The Aloxal process uses anodic oxidation to create protective layer and scale, and gives the scales it. Oh, there's supposed to be a space there. Typo. The layer of oxide provides additional scale protection against damage and corrosion. The layer can wear depending on use. These 3 models will be launched in a new color every year. Each edition is limited to 1, and the corresponding year is on the back of the knives. That's how they traditionally read. So this is the other thing you'll notice is the box is completely different. I'll compare in a moment. You can see the 2021. It's really pretty orange. Your normal Pioneer X tools. Blade, bottle opener. It's always weird that the scissors open up on the opposite side. It's 91 millimeters. Coincidentally, it's the same as 111 millimeters. And your awl. So, normal Pioneer X tool set. Nothing different there. Got the pretty orange. The box. The box is completely different. So this is the 2020 box. As you can see, hey, scoot out. And so it's much longer. It's also a tad bit thinner than the older boxes. So these boxes have been the same size the last 6 years. So not only did we get different models, we got different boxes. As you can also see, the inside is cardboard. Yes, Victorinox has always maintained some level of environmental friendliness. So in the that one has a key ring left in there, but in the past they've been plastic to keep the knife secure. So this year they're doing cardboard. I guess it's closer to a Nespresso, one of the Nespresso models. In that case, where they had the cardboard sleeve, but that does mean that the knife can move around. It can get a slightly damaged. The box itself can get slightly damaged, as you can see there. And we gotta put it back in correctly. And our card. In a second. And this is the Classic. Normal Classic goodness. It is here. That also means the knife doesn't snap in like it did in the past, so you got to be careful when you're opening it. So we got our normal Classic tools, and yes, it is a really pretty orange. So definitely check it out. Pick it up if you like orange. I know it was a big draw for a lot of people. That's one of the normal colors I get asked for when doing customs. So I know a lot of people are really looking forward to this color. If you're interested, I know they're a limited supply just due to shipping from Switzerland at the moment, but that'll pick back up. So if you check out your normal dealers or check out mine, Bow and Oak Knives, leave a link in the description. Have a great day.